Okay. Let's see if I can get the whole thing off. It's almost like I need to leave this foot loose for now until I get that other foot in. Or do I just leave them unattached like this? It's just kind of rickety that way. Just don't know. Oh, you know, the glue's not gonna set so fast that I can't move it a little bit, so I'm gonna just go for it. Viscosity. I think I'm gonna leave this foot loose just so there's enough wiggle room. To get her together. If I have to, I can just kind of lift it up a little bit and squeeze it on there. I just put a little CA glue in the other foot there. Sweet. Dripping a little bit. Hold that guy on there real good. Oh, this is cool. This really was a super fun model, or is a really fun model to do. 7 bottles of resin to get this guy printed, and that was with very few mistakes. Fortunately, very few misprints where things didn't go right. Yeah, I do have a little bit of wiggle room on this back foot here. I can squeeze a little glue back there and that'll hold it on there a little better. It's on there pretty good as it is. I kind of have to force it. Maybe I just leave it. It's a pretty decent company. I like their glue. God, this thing is huge. This is by far the largest 3D print I've ever made. Not the tallest. Groot and Rocket got the tallest. upcoming videos, I'll show you guys some of the, well, pretty much, I can show you a lot of the models that I printed and painted for my time off that I had for surgery. This is always kind of the lame part. I don't use any glues with accelerants or anything, so unfortunately I gotta sit here for like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes sometimes, holding on to the piece so that it sticks. That's pretty well bonded. So we can see what he looks like with this helmet on. It's pretty damn good right there. Even without his face in there, it looks legit. I dig it. Very cool. There's that. Give you an idea with his other head on. It's pretty good. Well, that didn't work very well. See if I can get a better shot, a little better lighting here. I just need to finish up his hair. That ass though. That's the whole thing from the back. Looking pretty sweet.